Hey guys, it's Erin. Unfortunately, with continued use, it's totally natural for some of your favorite nail polishes to get a little thick and goopy. However, there are a few things you can do to help restore them to their nice, smooth formula. So here's a cream nail polish that I use frequently and I've had for a few years, and now it's gotten all thick and crusty, and it's really hard to apply in a nice, smooth way onto my nail. You can see that the formula is a little bit thicker and drier, so it doesn't level itself out as nicely on my nail. So I'm gonna fix this one up. The first thing you want to do is clean off the neck of the nail polish bottle. This one has been covered in nail polish over the year, and it keeps it from having a really tight seal to keep any air out of the nail polish bottle. If I want to prevent it from getting goopy in the future, I'm just going to clean this off using nail polish remover and a cotton ball. A little bonus tip would be to take a Q-tip with nail polish remover and even clean out the inside of the brush cap where some dried polish might be. Once that's clean, we're going to help thin out the nail polish itself. Now, you might want to reach for some regular nail polish remover when trying to thin out your polish, but it's better to use a specific nail polish thinner. A nail polish thinner is a better option than nail polish remover because it actually replaces the ingredients that are evaporating out of the nail polish when it dries out. Nail polish remover might break down the consistency of the polish, or if it has glitter or anything special about it, it'll just break it down and destroy it. So I'm starting by dropping just about 3 or 4 drops into my nail polish bottle. Then I'm screwing the cap back on tightly and either rolling the nail polish bottle in my hands or shaking it to mix the thinner into the polish thoroughly. Then check the consistency and see how you like it. I still think this creme looks a little bit stringy and not as thin as I'd like it to be, so I'm going and doing another round of about 3 to 4 drops of thinner, closing it up and shaking it again. Once I've checked the nail polish again, I'm happy with how it looks and I'm ready to apply it to my nail. This applied so much better than before, and it's self-leveling on my nail. And in 2 coats, I have a nice, easy yellow cream. You can do this with any finish of nail polish, so here's a glitter polish, which tends to get thick very easily. So again, I'm just going to clean off the neck of the bottle where I have a bunch of dried glitter on the edge. Cleaning out the inside of the brush cap too. And then adding the nail polish thinner in 3 to 4 drops and shaking it until I'm happy with the consistency. Now this glitter is much smoother in the base and it's so much easier to apply. And that's really all you have to do to restore your goopy nail polishes. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here, or click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.